Boom. Boom. Hey, Asteron. What up, buddy? Just trying to catch up, man. You know, was out for a couple weeks. Had people in town. My office was taken over, and back. Back. Didn't mean I wasn't working on the game. I had been working on the game in my free time, but yeah, good to be back. How you doing, man? How goes it? How you doing? What is up? All right. Yeah. Did a handful of things. You still busy? Nice. What? You having time to finish the second book? Nah, that's cool. I get it. Man, it's hard to find free time, right? To like do things you want to do. You still like what you got though? That's cool. Appreciate it. Yeah, honestly, I haven't gotten a lot of feedback on the second book. The first book is my first book, so everybody read it and they wanted to tell me what they thought. But even people I know that read book 2 didn't get a lot of feedback. So please let me know what you think. All right. So definitely made some progress on the game. You talk about it once it's done? For sure. Yeah, leave a review too. Another thing that book 2 is missing is reviews on Amazon and Audible and Readsy and not Readsy, on Goodreads. But I didn't do as much marketing. I really pushed Orbem, so I mean we had hundreds and hundreds of readers to leave reviews, but yeah, I like the feedback. Feel free to criticize me heavily. So yeah, you bought DCC discount at the end of the series. Oh, nice. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, I mean, honestly, there's thousands of books, movies, animes. No. Like I've mentioned this before, I read like 30, 40 science or not science, sci-fi fantasy novels in a row. And that's when I started writing because I was like, oh shit, I'm spending a lot of time on books. I should probably just write one. And yeah, that's when I stopped reading and I started writing. So now anytime I have that would have been for reading, I am writing instead. Well, now instead of writing, I'm working on this goddamn game. Yeah. Yep. I'm glad I did. Wait, what the fuck? Oh. Okay, that's still there. Yeah, so I have done a lot of work on the game on the side. I'm trying to remember everything I did do though, so I can kind of get. I forget what I last did on stream, but I think, I mean, it's got to be It's probably finishing the cutscene area, which, you know, I did fine. We got all this working. I added the rocket that ends up being here. And I got pretty much everything good to go to this point. I think, oh, I know what I'm supposed to be doing now. I'm having an issue where the previous cutscene area is not getting set like it should be. And that's because, so this, when you enter a new area, if this equals nothing, then use this. Otherwise, nothing. If that doesn't exist, otherwise nothing. Yeah. So, I forget, am I to the point where I fixed it, or am I still testing? That is the question. Am I getting... Okay, good. Well, that's working. So yeah, the previous cutscene is nothing. That's nothing. So let's go to the level. Let's go to the previous cutscene. So this is the cutscene area. This will set the cutscene area as a... And what I did was I actually persisted the previous cutscene area in an option. Because what was happening was, if you refreshed, you would lose the fact that you came from a cutscene. So all those items went away. Yeah. Yeah, me too. Most of the issues I run into with this game engine and this game are because it's on a website, right? Finding creative fixes for persisting data so that, like I said, when you refresh the page, you don't lose a bunch of shit, or you don't like bypass things, right? Like, you need to be able to literally shut down out of nowhere and come right back and play the game. I don't know if that's overkill, but I'm trying to like get the best user experience for the gameplay. So that's why I'm trying to like find all these edge cases like this. So if we just go through this, yes, hello everybody, nice to see you, yes, 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 we already have this. So now, you see, we're still not getting the items, and that's because previous cutscene areas that, which is fine, but window.previous cutscene area should not be empty. That was getting set before, and now that's not even getting set. But if I refresh, I think it works. No, maybe I broke that too. Alright, well obviously something's not working. What I've done to my goddamn... So where is it? So I'm setting it here. No. Where am I setting it? I'm setting it here. Set previous cutscene area. So yeah, if it's that, if it's not. Oh, is that the problem? Is that maybe when it's going back to a new area, it's setting it to nothing? So I store things using the WordPress database. That's my SQL database. I use, you can see the function here. I use fetch calls to registered restaurants that I set up. In this case, it's set previous cutscene area. I have a PHP function right here that, well, not right here, but I have PHP functions that correspond to that restaurant. And I just do a fetch call. Excuse that crinkling. And yeah, so that's how I persist at, like, when you're finishing missions, coordinates, all that stuff. It's the same thing. Just using rest routes in JavaScript to persist it. But, you know, you can run into timing issues with that. So I think I can't do, hold on, I can't set it to nothing. I think that's the problem. Like if this is not, remove items. See, I'm setting it to nothing after I use it, which is, oh no, I'm not setting it to nothing. I'm setting it to nothing here. Okay. So yeah, this is what I think is the problem, is that when I enter the new area, I'm setting it to nothing. So that could be the issue when I'm coming back. I'm gonna see if that's what's happening though, hold on. Because I don't 100% know that's what's happening. So I just got 2 gigabit internet, and I'm not seeing the speed. I mean, I'm seeing speed. Like if I do internet speed tests, it's fast. But like, you'd think 2 gigabit internet would be past a gig, right? I'm hardwired in, you know? And, you know, I've even gotten higher. I've gotten like 900, but I'm not getting over 1,000. You should. Yeah, it keeps you accountable, you know? I really like the documentation. Like, I'm documenting everything I do in code, version control, and on video. Hey, Riggy, what's going on, my friend? Welcome. Why don't you hang out? Come talk to me. What speed test do you use? I just used the Google one. Yeah, I just search Google. You can try it out. I am actually building a game. This is Escape to Orbem. This is my RPG video game based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series, The Harmonian Chronicles. So the demo is going to be first 5 chapters of Orbem here. But more importantly, I'm building a game engine. And not just any game engine. I'm building a WordPress game engine. So you can build RPG video games in your WordPress website without code. So that's cool. It's kind of like an RPG maker for WordPress. Yeah, this is the game. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, I mean this is one of the unfinished levels. I'll show you real quick. So if you go to orbem.games, you can play this right now if you wanted. Orbem.games. Go ahead and skip the video. We'll just do a new game. You don't have to log in. It persists your game if you do log in, so you can like save your game play. But yeah. This is it. You kind of have a scientist. You're a scientist that loses his job and kind of follows his story, the story of the game. And, you know, your boss takes you to a secret research facility to continue some research. And the whole thing's about inventing wormhole transportation. Personal wormhole transportation. Oh, shit. I gotta collect my stuff. Hold on. Burp, derp, 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 derp. There we go. We did it. Uh-oh, that's not cool. Why didn't mission finish? It looks like I'm breaking stuff. What'd you get? You got 824? Over your Wi-Fi? Wait, was that down or up? Because that's extremely fast over Wi-Fi. That's download speed? Yeah, because even through my Wi-Fi, my mesh network, I'm only getting like half of my wired. I'm getting like 400. That's crazy. Yes, impressive. Oh, okay. You're not. I mean, are you not just using the Google test? Oh, you did speed test by Ookla. No, just run the Google one on the browser. It's like built in. It does both. See, I got 900 now. And then I got 900 down. Almost 900 up. Good enough for me. Okay, yeah, let's double check now if I'm getting what I'm supposed to be getting. Wait, where's hay coming from? I need to get rid of that. See, I want to see that one. I do not want to see this one. Awesome. Yeah, Ricky, make sure you're subscribed so you can watch the process of building a game engine. What up? Glad you're back. Yeah, you can. And join the Discord. Just go to orbenorder.com. There's a Discord link on the homepage. And it's you can join the community. Bunch of web developers, programmers, musicians, writers. 7 down, 7 up, latency 11. Okay. That's still, I mean, over Wi-Fi, that's still fast. That's really fast. Like, I'll do Wi-Fi over here on my other computer. What am I getting? I'm getting 622 down and 408 up. So I don't know, man, my Wi-Fi sucks. That's going to my mesh network. If I go directly to the actual like thing, it's even slower. Yeah, what's the cheapest internet here? That's pretty cool. You know what? I actually just got 2 gig internet for cheaper than what I was paying for 1. Xfinity called me. They're like, "Hey, do you want faster internet for cheaper?" I'm like, "Yeah, of course." So I'm paying 85 US dollars a month for 2 gigs now, and I was paying 113 for 1 gig. I don't know. They had some promotion going on, so. And they said for 5 years. I'm like, lock it in, man. Fuck yeah. I'll save some, what, $30? Let's go. All right. Now hay should only happen when I want it to happen. All right, so we're gonna go over here. We're gonna jump into the cutscene area. I'm gonna skip it as fast as I can. Excuse me. Okay. Hey, I was right. So what's happening is it's going to the new area and it's canceling out the cutscene area, which I wanted to do unless it came from a cutscene area. So to do that, what we do is this. If this exists, so if this does not equal that, then no, only if it equals that. What? Then do that. This is the logic that we want. Let's actually see. Am I doing this somewhere else? No. Okay. All right, cool. Let's see if this works. What we should be seeing is a rocket on fire. You're paying $11 a month? That's crazy. Are you like dead in the city? Like you're in a. So I'm in like a semi-rural area of Michigan. So yeah, I mean, not that I should make it more expensive. It's fiber internet. So I mean, they buried it. It's already here. It's not like it should be more expensive, but I wonder if you just get like way cheaper internet in the city. Alrighty, let's try this again. Hey, Lee Nose lovers, kill Lee No lovers. How's it going, my friend? Thanks for jumping on. What's going on? How's your night, or morning, or day, or whatever that is? All right, let's skip this again. Pop, 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 pop. Skipping cutscene. I should just put like a whole skip button in the bottom right, maybe for the whole cutscene, but eh. The S isn't part of the lever. Oh, okay. Lee No Lover. Skiz. I like it. Maybe skis. Okay, do we have fire? Damn it, we still don't have fire. Why not? That's not set. It's still not working. Why you no work? Ooh, that's really interesting. Okay, well, let's double check this is correct. If that is nothing, blah. Okay, where am I setting it? Enter new area. So this is where it's getting set. And it's supposed to be setting the persisted data too. Yeah, so I do this. If it's a cutscene, which it is, then I do the class name, blah, blah, blah. We engage the cutscene. We set the window variable. And then we set persisted in the database. Oh, it's a band. Nice. I'll have to check them out. Based off of your avatar, I'm guessing they're pretty cool. Net over fiber. Oh, so direct link is much better, but still. I'm glad to hear that. And you could do a lot with even less internet. I just know I am trimalcasting right now, you know, to Twitch and to YouTube and to YouTube Shorts live feed. And I could not even consistently, you know, stream to one of those with the internet I used to have. When you said isn't a part of the lever, maybe laugh. Oh, S isn't a part of the lever. I don't know. Oh, the devil excuse results in twisting. Oh, does it? Interesting. Why? Why is this still getting set to nothing? Oh, the SKZ part's the band. Ah. Thought the full name was the band. Well, it's possible. Well, let's just see what we're getting here. Because this should be working fine. And then let's just double check that this isn't getting hit. I don't know. Because this should be working. Enter. Yeah, this all should be working. Let's check. Ah. Oh, okay. Just making you explain your entire identity. I'm so sorry. Just so interested in some people's usernames, you know. Oh, using bands on stream. Oh, that's true. I didn't think about that. I use a lot of bandwidth constantly too. Wife, the kids, the TVs, all the devices, the phones, everything's hooked to Wi-Fi. 3D printers are always up and running on Wi-Fi. So maybe I am getting 2 gigs. I'm just using all the Wi-Fi. without even knowing it. That also probably explains why the mesh network is much slower. It's because everything's connected to the mesh network. Man, got a golden retriever, and I just have fucking his hair in every orifice. I'm so tired of it. Winter's coming though. His coat should chill. Okay, there we go. So we know that worked. We know that worked. So this is set. Let's see if the network call worked. Set previous cutscene area. Yes. Okay. So we know this is all set right now. Okay. It all persisted. You know what? I am lucky. I actually have 4 dogs. Got a golden retriever, black lab, and a couple Chihuahua mixes. But I mean, we have 12 acres over here, so they live outside most of the time. But yeah, they are great, especially when they're sleepy. Whew. Because when they're not sleepy, they are fucking rambunctious most of the time. It's night in your part of the country? Oh, got it. You have a chocolate lab? Nice. I like chocolate labs. We had a choice. Not really trouble. I completely fenced in the property, which you can imagine was not easy to do. But we still get deer jumping over the fence, fucking around. We got lots of bunnies, lots of rabbits running around, lots of like minks, groundhogs, marmots, you know, just kind of shuffling their fat ass around the grass. And you know, besides that, the most annoying part are the frogs. You know, when it's frog season and they're trying to jump in my pool and shit. But yeah, I hate the bugs. I can't wait for night, like the winter time when you can just open the door and bug season's over. No more issues with fucking hornets and flies and fruit flies. God. Nightmare. Okay. So now let's check if it worked. It did not. Why is it not fucking working? It's not persisting anymore. I must be resetting it somewhere else. Huh. No. I mean, we hear coyotes. I've never seen them though. We've only been here for a few years. You know, I was in LA my whole life. My day was good though. You know, this is the first time back streaming after 2 weeks. Just kind of getting into the swing of things. We had people in town for my daughter's birthday. She had a great birthday on Sunday. We rented a bowling alley and, you know, just fucking time of the kids' lives. I don't know why this isn't persistent though. I'm definitely... Yeah, because this didn't get hit again. Otherwise, it would have shown... Wait, did it get hit again? Did it show nothing? Oh, maybe it did. Oh, it did. Shoot. Okay. Well, so the problem is that this is actually getting set to nothing. Is it here? Is this setting it to nothing? If it's not nothing, set to nothing. Oh. Yeah. I'm dumb. I am dumb. Let's actually do... I don't think we need to do this. Yeah, I don't need to do this anymore. Because I'm doing it lower. I think that's what's happening. I'm setting it to nothing right before I need it. Alright, cool. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, appreciate it. So the dogs are safe. Yeah. I don't remember if you said this before. How did you end up with Negrescu? I mean, I just honestly, when I was creating all the main characters, I was like, okay, where do I want them from? You know. And then I just looked up a bunch of common names. Obviously, it was easy for Genie, Irish, Smith. You know, we have an Irish uncle named Smith. Serious flag. I know, right? No, and then John Forey. He's South African. I just looked up a bunch of you know common South African last names, and then Graham Milford. He's American, but his first name is Scottish Welsh. Um, because that's where they adopted him from, was from Scotland. And Iona Negrescu was as Romanian of a name as I could think of, and or research and find. And I don't know, I just thought it sounded cool. Like most of my names, the more fun names were the ones I made up. All the fantasy names. Those were fun because I have zero lineage, like it didn't matter where the names came from. Coromir, Barastium, fucking go crazy with it. Jiroke, Grey Tuft, Cornda, Siona. Love those names. Just fun to say. I think I went like phonetically, just like what sounded fun. Let's retest this. And what a Forno. I don't know. I think I was just thinking like what sounded good for the character as I was writing it, just making shit up, blah blah blah, just kind of like saying words together. Hey, Alonzo. Hey, things are going well. We're just trying to fix some persistence issues with materializing items after a cutscene. You got the most common generic Romanian name? Oh yeah, what's your generic Romanian name? Do you know any Yanas? Is it Vlad? Is that Romanian? I don't know why I just said Vlad. Vlad sounds Romanian. Roman? Is that a Romanian name? Is that where it comes from? You do know a few Jonas? How do you pronounce it? Do you pronounce it... I'm just going to wait for you to say yes or no. Do you pronounce it Yana? Or Iona? Because I've heard it pronounced multiple ways. And I always kind of do like an in-between because I don't want to say it wrong. Wow. It's like when people read Hermione for the first time. Hermione in Harry Potter. Alright, did it work? Do we have fire? No, it's still not working. Why is there still nothing? With the middle A? Oh, really? Yan? Is it Yana? Like that? Iana? Like Iana? Iana? Iana. I think in the book I had the narrator pronounce it Iona. I don't know. But that's interesting. Iana. Oh, Joanna. Joanna. Okay. Yeah, I think I also saw a pronunciation like that. Yeah, Joanna. You got that eye though, man. You just finished the circus project. Ooh, really don't get why people prefer minimalism or something more creative and innovative. I agree. People prefer minimalism. It's cheaper. Honestly, problem with websites is they're an ongoing thing, right? So they're fluid. You basically you need to, if you put so much work and you make a crazy interactive, like beautiful website, updating it's really hard. So people like to stay minimalism because they can always add to it, change it slowly, maybe completely change the color scheme because it's easier. There's less to change. And yeah, like I said, also people are, they're not creative. Get a designer to design a website. It's different, I guess. Okay, why did that not work? Logically, that made sense. Because now I'm not setting it to nothing. So why am I losing it? You know what? I need to get rid of this. Just to make sure that it's not still causing the issue. What? Dude, what up, Harlow? Harlow's back. Hold on, we got a party for Harlow. Harlow's in the house. I gotta set my piano back up now that nobody's in here. I didn't think about that shit. I'm gonna do that. Next stream, we'll have the piano set up again. All right, let's see if we can get this piece of shit working again. Come on. So Bylon meetup. We're setting it. We're persisting it here. Good. And I'm actually going to keep this just to make sure it's not changing the persistence. Joanna. Yeah, then we got Graham here. Oh yeah, you never told me if I got your name right. Was it Vlad? I actually don't know what's common. Okay, it doesn't seem like it unpersisted. But it's still not. Why am I losing the variable? I shouldn't be losing it. Previous. Yeah, why is it changing to nothing? Wait, is this? How is it changing to nothing? I'm not refreshing the page. Oh, that's right. This is only for persistence. That doesn't matter. That's right. That's right. Sorry, we need to check. Did the window previous cutscene? See, it's being set to nothing. Okay, it must be getting set to nothing somewhere else. Oh, Andre. Okay. Most common remaining name for boys. Got it. Oh, Archangel. Gabriel. Ian. Oh, okay. Stefan. Nice. A lot of religious names. That makes sense. Cool. I like Andre. Andrea Bocelli. Okay, we need to find out why we're losing the window previous cutscene. Because I know if I refresh right now, it should show the fire. Let me just test that theory. Yes. So the persistence worked. I should probably avoid walking into the flames. Isn't Genie fireproof? Oh, I should. Wait, did I? Ah, that's not good. Yeah, I need to. Unfortunately, HUD menu. I might need to like do. Ooh, I don't even know. Yeah, I might have to do this. Yeah, well, I'll figure it out. Okay, so yes, it works. It persisted fine, so that's good. Hey, what up, cat kitty? You're sorry that your day's good? Hey, it's okay. You know, don't. Just because you had a great day doesn't mean I can't have a great day. You change your name. That's fun. I like it. Mushroom cat kitty. Okay, where was I? Riggy the cat kitty. I like it. Riggy the cat kitty. Well, welcome back, Riggy cat kitty. So, where is this losing window previous cutscene? That's what I need to know. This must be getting reset somewhere. Oh. Now, this is only when you engage cutscene. So that's fine. This is also engage cutscene, so this is fine. I don't think this function's getting hit, but that could be it. No, it's being used here. Oh, it's right here. I'm setting it to nothing, probably. Oh. So if this equals nothing, which it doesn't, then do this. Otherwise, do nothing. I think I did this wrong. It's supposed to be if this does not equal nothing. No, it does equal nothing. I just did this wrong. I should have kept it. There you go. Don't default it to nothing. That's me being dumb. I'm glad you're happy to be here. I don't know if you guys follow football, but American football. But KC just lost again, and it's just so freaking funny how they have fallen. And it's crazy that the Jacksonville Jaguars are 4-1 now. Holy shit. Florida. Wow, good for them. That's crazy. And the Broncos just beat the Eagles? Let's go. There are no undefeated teams in this season. This is gonna be the craziest Super Bowl ever. All right, football talk over. What was I doing? Okay, this should work now. Again. All right, let's see if this works. Yes, I don't need you. Yes. Okay, so that was the problem. Now, I still need to be able to set it to nothing when you go to another area that isn't a cutscene. Because you don't want it to be persisted as the previous cutscene area in another area that's not from that cutscene. Anyone else there? Well, there's 6 people here. I mean, you're the only one talking right now. Yeah, okay. What was I doing? Okay, cool. So now that this is persisted, I can continue. I mean, I need to basically just... Let's put out this fire. Ding dong, I put out the fire. I don't think her speed's working, but I'll give it a shot. No, it's not working here. I gotta not do that. Hey! Sorry, I just screamed. Starmelon. What up, bud? Welcome back. How you doing? Do you have any stream avatars going on? Oop. I don't think so. Oh yeah, I forgot. You refresh like this now. No, nobody's here. That's fine. Nope, I ran out of time. Ooh. Driving to a training course. Ooh, training for what? What are you training for? Alright, let's push this up since I fixed it. We can go to production and continue finishing this shit. Oh shit. Okay. Wait, you're driving? Like to a class? To learn Microsoft AI? What's AI Azure? Does Azure do its own AI now? Wow, that's cool. In person? I'm proud of you. Most people do those courses online like suckers. But you're like, I want to see people. I want to hear their voices in my head. I want to feel their breath on my face as I learn. Fantastic. I don't know what I'm looking for. Okay. Okay. So now that we're in production, what I want to do, I just want to like get through what I have finished. And really the next step is the programming minigame, which technically, if I haven't broken any logic, which I probably have, I should be able to just configure and do it. It's the binary programming with the soldering minigame. So that should be fun. You like the red shirt? Thank you. One of my last remaining V-necks. I actually just posted, guys, if anyone is interested in merch, which, yeah, whatever. Nobody is. But I posted 2 new shirts because I wanted them. What just happened? Oh, I just pushed code, so I broke my website. Hold on. Azure can host ChatGPT versions for whenever you need your info to stay private. Oh, that's pretty cool. 2 new shirts, and they're game-based. So I have Escape to Orbem t-shirts on Amazon, but I wanted to make some new ones for my website. So speaking of V-necks, we have V-necks, and they come in different colors. Green. I have a red one too. It's pretty cool. And the best part is the back of them have a map of Orbem on them, so you can see they have the map of Orbem. So if you're interested in cool shirts with cool shit on them, it's the name of the game. And also have a regular non-V-neck version. You want the green? Hell yeah. And we even have real people wearing them. Not real pictures, but Printify does a good job of like superimposing the shirt on people. Oh yeah, this is good. I think I got this one. No. I got this one because I have the Amazon blue version, but I wanted to get this one. And then I got I think I got a white V-neck, which I don't have any white V-necks, so that's cool. And this is the same thing. It has the map on the back, yeah. And it has a nice little custom Orbem order label on it, so that's cool. Yeah, enjoy. Support the channel. Support your man boobs or whatever you have under your shirts. Support yourself. All right, let's see if this worked. In production. Yeah, I didn't know Azure could host like local AI models. That's pretty cool. I guess that's cool. Is it expensive? It's probably expensive, right? Everything's expensive with AI. Or getting expensive. Baby in the background? Yeah. I'm not really good at this backwards. That is me. I don't know why my parents gave me my own baby photo, but it's in a nice wood frame, so I just hung it. Yeah. The other kid there is my nephew. I had to move when I moved my desk and stuff. All the photos of my daughters are over on like that way where my desk was. So now it's just pictures of me. Yeah, but I have a lot of the paintings and stuff that my daughter has made. Now my background is full of random junk. All right, where are we? So we have you. So let's actually follow the lay of the land here. We're going to go in here. Yep. We're going to do the little... I keep like wanting to call it a mini game, but this isn't a mini game. This is like a mission, a task, right? Like a tedious task to take care of, organizing your office. You know, for version at work, my colleagues are mostly not allowed to talk about their work with LLMs, so this is the way they can use that for work. Oh, okay. That makes sense. I know you guys are all using LLMs to create Skynet or whatever. Okay, and then we're going to move this bandboard down here. Because I played this game before. Let's move this out of the way. Oh shit, I'm stuck. Thank you. Let's put the chair. See, it looks like the chair goes there, but it doesn't. The chair goes in the chair slot. Oh my god. It won't let me stay in one place because the damn computer. You son of a bitch. There we go. And there's a random robot arm here that's hidden. Oh yeah, we're fucking speed running this. Who doesn't like an organized office? Okay, there you go. Yo, Alpha Hog. Hey, welcome back, my friend. Good to see you, bud. How you doing? How you doing? Do I have a dog? Yes, I have 4 dogs. 4 babies. I have a 16-year-old, oh no, 15-year-old Maltese Chihuahua, 9 pounds. And I have a 5-year-old Black Lab Chihuahua. Don't ask me how that happened. And I have a 3-year-old actually he'll be 3 on Halloween. A 3-year-old Black Lab, real Black Lab. You started a new thing? Ooh, what'd you start? And then brand new, 1-year-old Golden Retriever. And yeah, they're a whole lot of fun. And they love running around the property and drinking all of the water in the house and making me refill their fucking 3-gallon bowls, 2 of them, like every day. Your dog died. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, we had to let one of our babies go last September, so about a year ago. Stoli, he was a 16-year-old Yorkie Chihuahua. We brought 3 Chihuahuas with us from LA when we moved here, and he was the oldest. And he had a lot of fun here though before he went. I mean, his kidneys shut down. Just kind of had to, you know, euthanize him. We did it at home. I was holding him while it happened. It was really hard, um, like way harder than I expected. Kind of wish he would have just, went in his sleep. Honestly, he's making edits now, and they make car edits and game edits. You talking about like videos? I don't know your jargon, Alpha Hod. What's the jargon? Edits. I'm guessing that means videos. Yeah, Elizabeth sucks. I mean, it's the first time. It was our first dog too, me and my wife. You know, I think we were together for probably 2 years when we got him. We got him as a puppy. We had him for 16 years. It's crazy. Um, but I mean, he was an amazing dog for us, but he was a horrible dog for the world. I mean, he was Yorkie Chihuahua, so he's like 26 pounds, but he bit people. He bit kids. I mean, it was our first dog. We raised him in apartments. He wasn't trained very well. Oh, nice. You lost 2 of your cats. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, cats are rough. Unfortunately, I grew up with lots of cats. Not unfortunately, like I didn't like them, but like I kind of got used to losing them because we lived in the mountain and lots of coyotes, and they were outdoor cats, and we'd lose one every year. And we did have one that lasted a very long time though. That was Scruffy. He was my favorite. He actually ended up being 16 before he yeah, just went away, and they all just kind of disappear. I think it was a lot easier when they just never came home. It's a munchkin cat. Oh, it is a munchkin cat. It's so cute. Okay, well, things appear to be working. A munchkin cat. Doop. I like how I'm punching. Punch, 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 punch. I shouldn't be able to punch. Okay. All right. Well, so far so good. Next step, let's put out the fire. Oh, I should probably avoid walking into flames. Isn't Genie fireproof? Choose Genie from the crew menu. Oh, other characters have special abilities. All right, cool. Let's do it. You. Oh yeah, see, she can. A Munchkin cat is a teal type of cat. Teal, like the color teal. What does that mean? That sounds awesome. Putting out the fire. Putting out the fire. Oh shit. I took too long. I was not paying attention and I died. Welp. I suck. Oh, they were indoor cats. Damn, cancer. Cat cancer sucks. Screw that. All right, Let's try this again. Oh my god, I'm dying. At least my... Oh, real. It's a real car. I like teal better. Yeah, no, I assumed it was real. Alright, there we go. Fire's out. Now, her speed... See, why does she not seem fast? Or is that fast? Is that fast? It doesn't feel faster. I don't know why. It doesn't feel faster though. What is wrong with the goddamn speed? I thought I fixed this issue. Like, I don't think she's fast enough to make it in the 40 seconds. Oh, well, definitely not if I get stuck. What the hell was that? Go, 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 go. Come on, maybe I can make it. Yeah, maybe. No, I'm not gonna make it. Yeah, I think her speed is not working. Why is it not working though? I don't get it. Oh, so close. No, I didn't make it in time. Yeah, that's so weird. I swear, because window move speed, it's 1. And that's very fast. But for some reason, it's not using the fucking window move speed. And I thought I fixed that. Yeah, speed, 1. See, it's like way faster than 20. But it's acting as if it's 20. I thought I fixed this. Now I don't know what the hell to do. It seems like it was happening in local too, so I can probably just try it out there. See, like when I hard code it, oh goddamn, it worked fine. Back when I was testing it before, if I hard code the move speed to something higher, but it seems like changing the window variable is just not working. And I thought it's because I had to restart the interval, but this used to work. That's what I'm like, what the fuck? So like slow. Well, that seems faster actually. That genuinely feels faster. Yeah, I mean, that's obviously faster. But I think the problem is... No, I thought it's because I switched it back. Well, I can't test it if it's not working. They cost almost like $1 million. Oh my god. Yeah, I bet they do. They're all inbred, tiny cats. Glad it caught me. Oh yeah. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm gonna be back probably more regular streaming throughout the week. You know, I have nobody in the house anymore. But just normal stuff. But hey, appreciate it, Esteron. Thanks so much for jumping on. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one, my friend. Peace. Let's see if coming from here, if it will be slow. Maybe it's because I came from another... It still feels... it's kind of fast. Well, now it's broken. I can't tell. God damn it. I hate this speed thing. Okay, let's just fucking refresh. I'm gonna change Move speed. I'm going to try doing hard coded again to 1. I might just have to figure out a different way to control how fast somebody moves. Because before it was just changing the interval of movement. But now I don't know if that's good enough. So like I'm going fast. Still though, like before 10 was fast. So we have the interval being set on movement init function. And when I change, I'm resetting this. I know I am. And I even tested it. Can I see what this says? Let's see if this works. I actually don't know what an interval console's out to. It's yep, 11:38 for me as well. That is correct. At night. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay. 3, 1. Okay. I don't really understand what that means. What's nostalgia to me? What is nostalgia to me? It's probably some music or something, I'm guessing. Maybe, playing Pokemon, the video game. I have this multi-game arcade cabinet. They have the actual Pokemon Red on there, and that's what I used to play when I was a kid. And I started playing it again. It's just the saving mechanics on the emulator are kind of fucked. So I ended up like playing a whole bunch and then losing it. And I made it through like the moon cave where all the Clefairies are. And when I lost that save, I was like, I'm never playing again. Because it's so fucking tedious. Why does it say 74? What are these numbers? I mean, she's definitely going faster. Ugh. To you, it's Minecraft? That's funny. Minecraft seems new to me. That's how old I am. When I think of Minecraft, I think of like little kids. Even though it came out when I was, you know, a little bit younger. But... Okay, I obviously don't know what console means. Oh, I see what's happening. Wait, what? What the fuck is this? Oh, it must just like give out a random ID maybe. I mean, it is working though. Why isn't it? See, that's why I bet it would work like when I refresh right now. But like I don't want it to work on refresh. I want it to work when I'm playing. Wait, what? Now I lost my cutscene area. How'd that happen? Oh, it's because I didn't get rid of the reset on engage cutscene or engage Orbem. Okay, so I'm looking for this. Otherwise that, and then I'm resetting it to nothing down here. Yeah. If it's not a cutscene. Yeah, I gotta get rid of that. Still play Pokemon? I don't really have time to play anything. Not really. Like I said, I played my arcade cabinet a little bit just for fun, but I don't have my original Game Boy anymore. I used to have the Game Boy Color, the clear purple one, because that's the only color they had. I was like, fuck it, I'll just get it. And I can't find it. I don't know what happened to it, honestly. It's very disappointing. I mean, I can get one on eBay for cheap. But yeah, I still have all the Game Boy games that I had, but nah. You subscribe? Hell yeah. Thanks, Cat Kitty. I appreciate that. Yeah, make sure you keep track of the notifications. You have the yellow Game Boy or the yellow Pokemon? Because that's awesome. My buddy Sean was really into Pikachu, so he had the yellow Pokemon. Oh, yeah, both. And then my buddy Ryan was always blue. Like, I was always red, he was always blue. Our hair color is the characters we chose, fire and ice. So he did Pokemon Blue, and he did Squirtle. Though I was a Bulbasaur kind of guy. I didn't like Charizard. Or Charmander. So Bulbasaur was my guy. Loved him. Love me some Bulbasaur. Fucking strong, man. Some Vine Whip. Let's go. But your favorite character is Sandshrew and Sandslash? Interesting. Never heard that. Never heard that take before. You're brave. Brave with that hot take. I mean, Gengar was a gangster. I couldn't not have him on my team. And I mean, I even had Pokemon Stadium on N64. Remember that? With the little slot where you put your Game Boy game in to get all your characters. And I did all the fucking cheats, and I did the cheat where you go to the island and you get all the evolution crystals. And you just get as many as you want just by doing that fucking cheat where you go, and I think it's like a fishing cheat. And you just keep getting the evolve crystals, and then you just evolve your entire team up to like the highest they'll go. And so I made some major crazy teams, and then plugged it into Pokemon Stadium and just fucking wrecked all the gym leaders. You struggled on Silver? Man, I never played any other Pokemon games, to be honest. You can tell me a story at school that happened to me? Ooh, what happened? Tell me about it. Yeah, I never played any other ones. I saw they just got too advanced. And I was so like just stuck on the original 150. I got really upset. Not upset, but like I was like when they came out with more Pokemon. I was like 151, that's it. There are no other Pokemon that exist in the world. It's finite to me. I'm a purist. I can name all the 151, you know. I don't want to come up with Buttfuckazor, you know, whatever the hell the new ones' names are. Okay, we gotta push this up so I can actually test my shit. Come on, bud. Alright. Poosh! Man, really gotta figure this shit out. So wait, did the speed end up working? I mean, she feels faster. Yeah, I think this is faster. No, maybe not. Maybe. Yeah, no, she feels faster. But again, I think it's because I refreshed. Like if I started from scratch, I don't know if it'll work. Let's see. Let's try going from here. Alright. First off, I think I'm gonna have to go back actually from here to get it to show up again. Tell me about your school story, Cat Kitty, I'm waiting. Okay, cool. It looks like the code pushed. All right. Jamal. Yes, I know, I know. Okay. Now, will it be fast? Go. I think she's, oh my god, fast. But let's see if I can make it down before 16. No, I definitely think she's faster right now. Oh no, maybe not. This is about the same speed from before, wasn't it? Son of a bitch. Oh wait, I'm gonna make it. Nice. Did it. Okay. That was faster. That's definitely faster. It's not as fast as it could be though. I don't know why the hell it's so. It's still not super slow. I mean, it's still not super fast. All right, dispose of the rocket. So now this is where we use John. Should probably put another disclaimer. All right. Yeah. See, he's way slower than her. So I think maybe we're correct. So he's strong. He can do it. And you see that's waste disposal right there. So let's go ahead and jump over to this side. And let's see if this works. Waste disposal. Obviously the Z index is wrong. No, it's not working. I don't know where the spot is on this. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix this. It's supposed to be, as long as the centers are pretty close, that it should work. But I guess not. So you're at your school and your teacher said 6-7 because the kid asked the teacher to say it, and it's like done. And she said 6-7. Everyone screamed. You're shocked like that. Yeah. I mean, my oldest is 12, so she is an alpha. 6-7 is annoying as fuck. And man, went to Disneyland not that long ago, and we just heard it everywhere. It's just just kids saying the stupidest things. Alright, well, we got a new issue. I'm gonna pull down what I currently have to local. I want to fix the drag destination issue. Also, maybe I can fix the z-index issue. Because I actually don't think I care about the z-index of the rocket itself. Select files. Yeah, we'll just do the images and the database. Ooh. I mean, it's not funny. Most of the fucking memes are not that funny. Some of the things are just like, it's funny because they make it funny, or like they just. It's like, as long as I say it's funny, that kind of attitude about stuff. But yeah, 6, 7. Even the video that my kid told me it came from, it just seemed so stupid. Like there was like nothing funny about it. And it snowballed in stupidity. Kind of like Skibbity Toilet, you know? Like, those fucking videos are so retarded. And I could say that word. And it's just like, I don't. And it's not because I'm old. Because I find the stupidest things funny. You know what I mean? I mean, I grew up on South Park, and I grew up on Tenacious D, and like horribly crude and stupid humor. I mean, I find very stupid things very funny. But like, there's just zero comedic value in some of these things, you know? And yeah. No. I'm in Michigan. Michigan. And yeah, I've been here for a few years. But yeah, I grew up in LA, and you know, I was there for 30, 35 years or whatever. And yeah, I don't know. I just I just see the stupidest things happening online, and it's all just TikTok and YouTube Shorts, like coming up with stupid shit. In Roblox, brain rot. I actually find the Italian brain rot stuff not funny, but I like entertaining at least. You know, I like the songs and the characters. 87. Oh, you're old. 88 right here. Gross. I didn't know I had old people. Talking to old people over here. Yeah, my wife's 89. Like, she's not even a year younger than me. So we're from the same generation, and it just, yeah, we just see my daughter spiraling into stupid things that aren't funny, and she sends me videos all the time. I'm just like what is this? The saddest part are like the videos where like they're clearly staged, you know, like kids getting in trouble and yelling at their parents or something. I'm just like, I mean, obviously they're just doing it for views, dude. Like, they're not real. You don't have a TT, but you got Roblox. Nice, smart. Yeah, that's smart. Roblox will keep you young. I play with her sometimes. You know, we do just. She's been playing a lot of Dandy's World, a lot of what is 99 Nights in the Forest, and then the levels one where you go to 100 different levels or whatever. I can't remember the name of that game. It's mostly the people that are dumb. Whoop. All right. Okay. So first off, he can't carry it because he's too small. You need Joan to carry it. All right, so how does this even work? Because this is the drag item. And then this is the drag dest. Okay. And the z-index on this is 1. So the z-index on this needs to be 2. But if this is 2, will it be in the way? No, I guess it's fine. Okay. So let's do that. Let's make draggable items. Data draggable true. Let's make them z-index 2. You gotta go to school 7 in the morning. Oh, shoot. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna be heading out right now too. I have to take the kids to school in the morning, so. Thanks for coming by. Hey, hope to see you again. Appreciate your time. And, you know, I think I'm just going to leave too. You know, it's good to get some sleep. It's almost midnight. Star Melon. Thanks for jumping on, my friend. Yeah, 99 days is actually fun. Conserve your brain cells. Appreciate you. And Asteron, it's great seeing you again. Who else are we out today? Cat Kitty Riggy, thank you so much. Appreciate you jumping on for the subscribe. Hope to see you again. We'll have more combos. Alpha Hod King. Also appreciate you jumping on, my friend. It was good to see you again. Harlow, always a real one. Glad to see your username jumping on here. Alonzo. Hey, man. Also appreciate you jumping on here. Lino Lover. Loved the conversations earlier. Thank you so much for coming on and hanging out with me. And hey, anybody watching in the future on my VODs, come see me in person. You know, I like to chat. And, you know, if anybody just wants to talk about nothing, that's fun. I can also, you know, inform you about the website programming industry and all the fun things about WordPress. But yeah, everyone have a great night. Thanks so much for jumping on. I hope you have a great Tuesday. And yeah, thanks so much. Catch you in the next one. Goodbye. I'm back.